Good night, sir. My name is Adrian E. Albrado, and I will be represent to you ANOVA. ANOVA stands for Analysis of Variance. It's a statistical technique used to compare the mean of two or more groups. The basic idea is to see if there's significant difference between the groups or if the difference are just due to random chance. My example, sir, is you conduct a customer satisfaction survey and collect data or scale 1 to 5. Group. You have different group that you want to compare. My example, sir, is you might have their groups of students each receiving a different type of interaction. Variance. ANOVA looks at the variability within each group and the variability between groups. F-test. ANOVA used an F-test to see if the variability groups is significantly larger than the variability within groups. My example, sir, is it is that you have evidence that groups are different. And why is ANOVA useful? Comparing means it's designed especially for comparing means, making it powerful tool for research in many fields. Identifying difference, it helps you determine if there are real difference between groups or if the observed difference are just random fluctuation. Data analysis. It's key tool for data analysis and help you draw conclusion based on your data. This this is a formula of ANOVA. F equals to MST divide MSE. F ANOVA coefficient. MST mean sum of square due to treatment. MSE mean sum of square due to error. Types of ANOVA. One-way ANOVA used for comparing means of two or more groups when the independent variables has only one factor, comparing the effectiveness of their different fertilizer. Data examples are fertilizer A, fertilizer B, fertilizer C. That is an example of one-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA used for comparing means of two or more groups when the independent variables has two or more factors, comparing the effectiveness of their different fertilizer across two different. These are the example of two-way ANOVA: fertilizer, withering, yield. That is my report today, sir, and thank you and salamat, sir.